Hey guys, it's me again, and this time I wanted to share with you my review on the Home Tech Pro Rug Gripper Tape that I got on Amazon. If you have rugs or floor mats that are pretty lightweight like mine and they easily move around your floor every which way, you'll want to get these. I like the fact that it comes in 9.8 feet, which amounts to 3 meters. These rug grippers stick firmly on the floor, and they work well. Other rug grippers are fixed on the floor using gel, and as you might be aware, gel tends to stick firmly on floor surfaces and can leave permanent marks behind, thereby damaging the floor. On the contrary, these grippers peel off easily, leaving no marks on my precious floor surface. The gripper is machine washable and there's no need to peel it off. This carpet grip tape can be tailored according to your rug size, and it's suitable for carpets of various shapes. And when you paste it to a larger area, it has a better fixed effect. And knowing that I could stick it on however long the length is on each side of my rug gives me the confidence that there would be no slippage whatsoever, thus enabling a safe environment for all adults, kids, and animals in the household. I wouldn't want anyone to get hurt because of what I put on my floor. It's also best to use on a clean floor, and you can peel the rug off fast and easy without any permanent damage. It can prevent dust from entering the underside of the rug. I highly recommend this because from my experience, it's really effective. So anyway, I have added the Amazon link in the description box below for your convenience. I hope you try these and let me know what you think. I'd love to get your feedback. Thanks so much for watching.